But let's start with Adriana Loya, who's in Miami for us with the latest on the damage there. Adriana?
Yes, now here in Miami, this is the main street. It was filled with mud yesterday, and as you can see, there's still dirt and debris all over. Now, since the water receded, crews have been working nonstop to try to clean up the mess, and you can see them here right now. You see this mountain of dirt. Pretty much, the mayor tells me that just in this part of town, they have collected about 15 tons of dirt. Now, it was this creek that overflowed, leaving 2 feet of mud inside some people's homes. It was the loud noise of water and debris floating by that alerted residents.
It just looked like an ocean. There was just waves.
As a flash flood hit the town of Miami, Arizona, water gushing down from the Telegraph fire burn scar.
It's just unbelievable, and I'm surprised more of this town's not wiped out.
The water flowing down Bob Castillo's restaurant, leaving several inches of mud in the parking lot and water inside.
I haven't seen anything like this in my whole life.
The damage devastating for Susie Tana.
Looks like it's out here. It's inside.
Her home for 70 years that was passed down by her parents, a muddy mess. Every single room, from back patio to front door, filled with water and dirt. The couches, kitchen, and belongings destroyed.
Thank God nobody got taken. That water was horrible. I'd never seen water that high in my life. And I've lived here all these years. I've never seen it that way.
The town's mayor, Sammy Gonzalez, stopping by offering assistance.
And we've just been helping and walking.
12-year-old Andrew Brown joining in on the efforts.
There's a lot of elderly people in this neighborhood, so we wanted to come and help them.
World of Life Assembly of God Church among the many with damage.
It just came right through here. We came over, we're trying to block it and barricade it as much as we could, but we just couldn't stop it. It was too fast.
The mayor says cleanup will take about a week and fears this can repeat itself.
Because of the Telegraph fire, there's no vegetation to hold any of this dirt in place. And so we get another rainstorm, it's going to happen again.
Now the whole community is helping in the cleanup. Businesses have even provided food for all volunteers, and inmates from Gila County Jail were also brought to assist. As you can see, cleanup crews will be here all night until all the mud is pretty much cleaned up from the homes and from the roads. We're live in Miami. Adriana Loya, 12 News.
Oh, you just feel so bad for all those residents.
Our hearts go out to them. It's just.
Yeah.